Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to add a favicon in WordPress. And we are using InstaWP to set up our WordPress environment. This service allows you to launch a WordPress installation quickly. It's serverless and it does everything for you, such as setting up SSL. So check it out, instawp.io. Alright, so today we are going to be adding a favicon to our WordPress website. So it's also called a site icon, and it's the icon that sits right here. And this space is normally used to display a logo, such as a company logo or product logo. But it could be anything else, such as custom artwork. It could be anything you want. But today we are going to be adding our website's logo. And this will be the number 87. And our favicon was designed using a design app called Figma. But you can use any design app that you are comfortable with, such as Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator. Or you can even use an online design app called Canva. And to access Canva, you would just need to type in canva.com in the address bar. And as you can see, this web app could be used to design a number of different products. It could be used to create presentations, posters, and a lot more. So this is something that you can definitely check out when you have some free time. So let's check out the favicon that we are going to be uploading today. So this is it, just the basic number 87, green and black. And this was designed using Figma, like I mentioned. Alright, so let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. So from our dashboard, we just want to go over to Appearance. So hover over Appearance and click Customize. And once we have opened up our customizer, we just want to click Site Identity. And you see we can also customize our logo. And I previously created a video that shows how to add a WordPress logo. So you can check it out. It will be in the description. So we need to move to the bottom of the page to add our site icon. And you see that our dimensions must be 512 by 512 pixels. So it should be a square. And let's select our icon. So just click Select Site Icon. And we have some images that have already been uploaded to our media library. And we are going to be using our logo as our site icon. So if you have not uploaded your site icon, you just need to click Upload Files and drag and drop or select it from your computer. So let's click this first file. Click Select. And as you can see, if we look at our tab, we see that our site icon is now being displayed. So we just want to click Publish once we're done. So clicking Publish saves our changes. So it basically saves our site icon. So if you ever wanted to remove it, you would just need to scroll all the way to the bottom and select Remove or Change Image. So if we wanted to change it, we would just need to click Change Image and select a new icon. So let's select this one all the way to the right, the strawberry. Click Select, and we can crop this image to a square. Once you're satisfied with the result, click Crop Image. And if we take a look at the tab, we see that it has changed. So if we want to remove it, we just need to click Remove. We can add it back by clicking Select Site Icon again. Let's add our original icon. Click Select. And once we're done and happy with everything, we just need to click Publish over at the top. Alright, so we have saved our site icon. And let's change it back to the strawberry. So as you can see, we already have an icon that's already cropped. Alright, so now you guys know how to add, change, and remove a favicon or site icon in WordPress. I really hope this video helped. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.